welcome back to the show. Let's start the morning. How's everybody doing on this fine day after NFP news? What a day yesterday, right? What a day yesterday. Hold on, where's the sound mixer? What a day. Kind of like a choppy session after the NFP. Kind of crazy, right? Kev, hello there. Welcome. Camille, good to see you. Bordado, welcome back. So what a day yesterday. What a day. Absolutely crazy day yesterday. John the Trader. Hello, John. What's up? Good to see you. Marco, good morning. Good morning. Dominic, welcome back. So, let's summarize what happened yesterday, right? Because it was absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy situation. I mean, not much to summarize. I mean, look at this. Wow. Absolute chop fest. Absolute chop fest. Anyway. Good morning, Levy. Hello. Past Lucid 25k. Awesome, man. Activation was really fast. Yeah. Hey, Randall, welcome. Well, yesterday they released the NFP data, which has been pushed from the first Friday to yesterday. Yeah, they released it yesterday. First, they pushed it to Monday, to the 15th. And they released it yesterday on Tuesday. So yeah, kind of mixed up the market a little bit. So wow, yeah, absolutely crazy situation there. Okay, let's see some levels here. How far or where can we go? We still have a demand zone lower. Otherwise, the market is not really doing anything special. Reach the 5-minute supply zone up there. We'll see how it goes. And by the way, I do have to leave you guys for about 10 minutes shortly, because there's a furniture that is going to be delivered any moment. Dun, 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 dun. Just a second. Just a reminder here. Okay. Accept the platform. Oh yeah, I heard that TopStep was having trouble again with TopStep X. Yeah. I think they said it's the 5th or something breakdown in 2 weeks. So it's pretty much bugging out nowadays, it seems like it. The plan? Well, you can so far it's not easy to say what's the plan. The big plan for me would be to see price going all the way down to that 15-minute demand zone at 137. That would be the ultimate plan. I want to see if right now this area, which is kind of like a consolidation, and this is the 5-minute time frame. I want to see if we are going to make one more push to that supply zone up there or not. If not, that's cool too. But I just want to see if it's going to happen or not, you know. I'm just genuinely curious if there's going to be a push higher for previous day high to that 444 or not. So yeah, that's one thing. And even if we push through, I don't see any particular level that I'd like to go with here. Not sure. I would definitely, I mean, the plan would be something like this. If it wants to reprice this level and take out that level, that would be fine. And then some sort of a drop lower. Now, it's interesting and funny because yesterday I thought that we're going to reach that zone down there. I'm going to tell you exactly where it starts. Yeah, 135. Fred, Jamie, hello there, welcome, thank you for subscribing. What's up, Fred? So I'd say I love to see price finally go down there. It's a perfect demand zone, but we'll see, you know, we'll see. Curry Fishbowl, hello there. Why Lucid Trade withdraw the Project X? Because Project X is a piece of garbage right now. And also because Project X, it was not Lucid, it was Project X, aka Topstep, aka Michael Patek, who pulled a rug from every prop firm. They basically pulled out from every other prop firm. It was not Lucid, but I don't think they're missing too much because the platform is a huge garbage anyway. I'm sorry to say it, but like what I'm seeing, and I do have some people who I know in person actually, who yesterday just, you know, they made some good profit and then suddenly the platform crashed. And anyway, I don't think it's sustainable to think long term if a platform crashes 5 times in 2 weeks. Anyway, I don't think you're missing too much with that. But I hope they will fix it. I really hope for the sake of Topstep because, you know, but... So they didn't pull. Project X pulled. Gabor, good morning. Farhad, good to see you, man. Hey, Jerome, thank you. 212 looks probable. Oh, yeah. I like to see price move lower. Everyone is mad. Everyone is mad because this is, in 2 weeks, this is multiple times now. Multiple times, and it's just, you know, and Topstep is, you know, is a brokerage now officially, almost, or something like that. So they want to be a brokerage also with Project X. So imagine, guys, it's a very simple, by the way. Imagine that you are depositing, for example, $10,000 or $5,000 into Topstep brokerage, and you're using Project X, aka Topstep X, and you know the platform just keep crashing, and your real cash account is just suffering. You're losing money. You can't close the trade. You're losing your profits, or your stop loss is not getting triggered, whatever. And it's real cash. It's not just a prop firm account. It's real cash. Now that sucks. If you're depositing your money to a brokerage with a platform that actually crashing 5 times in 2 weeks, I would be mad as hell. So I'm not mad about Topstep. I just don't know why. I know it's hard to build a platform, but for God's sake, why then just let other platforms be available with TopStep if Project X is just not ready yet. It's clear it's not ready. For me, it's clear that Project X is just not ready yet. It's not even ready for prop firm trading, not for a brokerage trading, real cash account, your real actual cash money being traded with Project X. No way. Huge red flag. No. I don't want to trade my obviously I'm not going to trade it, but I don't want to trade my cash with Project X. No, thank you. I don't want to. That's a huge no-go. So why they, at least until they figure out the issues, they should have let at least one or two other platforms to be available. But anyway, sorry, let's move on. It just happens. In TRADEIFY, I lose, they lost it. That means I suppose I make 1,000. Suppose I make 1,000. That means my drawdown will be 850 next day. Well, the next day, the daily loss limit is gonna be 112. Hold on. Well, you will have the maximum daily loss limit, because it's going to be a new day, and you will be able to use your maximum daily loss limit, which I think is 1250. I don't know. Another 200. They reset my account. I'll be under the additional 200 I have had. Well, they should do something. Hey, Satish, hello there. 6 disconnects a day. Oh my gosh. K-Bell, yeah, hello there. Yeah, I don't know. They should fix it. They should fix it. I really hope they will. But in the current state, and imagine that you are a brokerage now, because TopStep, I think they're registered now as a brokerage as well. You're a brokerage with your own platform that keeps crashing 5 times in 2 weeks and multiple disconnects throughout the day. And you're managing your real cash money. That's not good. that's not good. Anyway, I sincerely hope that they will fix it real soon, because TopStep is an OG prop firm. But I don't know why it's so hard to do this. Anyway, as I was saying, I will have a furniture delivered. Actually, it's going to be a couch. There's going to be a couch going to be delivered in about any moment. I'm waiting for the phone call, and I will have to help the guy because he's going to be alone, and we have to bring up the couch together. So that's going to be a real heavy thing to the first floor on the stairs. It's going to be something like in the episode of Friends when they wanted to bring the couch to Ross's apartment, right? Anyway. Yeah, it seems like NQ is going for a previous day high. It does seem like it. Exactly, Randall, I agree. If the platform would be flawless, I would say TopStep would be absolutely at the top. But the platform just sucks currently. Pivot. Exactly, Kev. Pivot. 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 Now, this is exactly what's going to happen with me in about any moment. Yeah. Because the guy told me in my time it's 8:14. And the guy told me he's going to be here from around 8:14 to somewhere around 8:45. So in the next 30 minutes, he can arrive any moment. And I will have to help him. And obviously we have to do a pivot on the stairs with the couch. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I'm going to be away for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not going to close the stream because, you know, I will be here. But I have to go down and help him. Oh yeah. That was a hilarious episode. FX Speed, hello there. Good morning, Caesar. Hello. Cedric, welcome. No, it's not gonna be for the office. There's another room in the apartment, and it was pretty much a little bit empty. And it's a guest room, basically, almost like a guest room. And we're gonna have some family over, and maybe my mother, she comes over around Christmas, and you know, she'll have dinner with us and stuff. I don't know, but just to play it safe, and she will have a place to sleep. This couch can be opened up to be a you know, as a bed, so she can sleep on it. And anyway, it's good to have a couch that can be used as a bed in the guest room. So yeah, you know, why not? We have another couch at the living room at the TV, but you know, it's kind of a different. So anyway. I hope it will go better, Kev. I really hope. Do we have Lucid discount? Yes, it's TOMSABO up there. It's the code up there, TOMSABO. The thing is, they are pushing the Flex account right now, so I don't know if all the accounts currently have a discount. You gotta try it with those accounts, but I think the Flex account is the promo that they're currently pushing. You know, Bordado, you can try it. But yeah, the code is the same at every platform. Thank you so much for support, by the way. Oh yeah. You gotta look at the right contract. I think you're still on the December contract, FX Speed. So make sure you are on MNQH. So MNQH or NQH, whatever. Depends if you're trading micro or mini, but look for the H contract. And you open trade, it looks like 300 points away. Yeah, because it's a different contract. Ollie, hello there. What's up? All is good. Then you can please take one micro on M1 off daily bias and H1 structure triple alignment. What? Okay. All right. I can try that, Yamil. I use MNQ. Okay, that's the problem. You're on the Z. You're on the old contract. You need to switch to H contract. Cooper, hello. Welcome. And Pinion Mendez Israel, hello there. Oh, Flex and Pro are, yeah, 40% off. Great deal currently with Lucid. Yeah. Only one-time payment, guys. There's no monthly fee. No monthly fee and no activation. Just one-time payment. Do you know if I can withdraw from Lucid funded account into the buffer? I don't think you can. I think you cannot. You have to maintain above the buffer, Dominic. Hey, Prud Virao, hello there. I'm just gonna say Prud. Prud. Hey, welcome. I don't think you can withdraw the buffer, honestly. Yeah. Their rules didn't find anything very specific. I think you need to maintain the buffer. Yeah, yeah, they have basically almost no rules. Yeah, but yeah, it's very simple to go by with Lucid. By the way, talk about gold a little bit. Easy. Nothing is happening on gold. Nothing is happening on gold here. Yeah, I think on the Flex account there is something more. Maybe. I think you can do, I think you can withdraw a little bit more. Oh yeah, Cooper, TOMSABO crashed. And you know, what a coincidence that they crashed at NFP. Because some people, I guess, would have been making a lot of money on the NFP release. And I don't know. Let's just leave it at that. Izzle Sizzle, hello there, good morning. First time, thank you for being here. Hey, welcome. Well, yeah, I stream every day from 2 a.m. to around 4 or 4:30. And then I do a New York stream, early New York session from around 7-ish, maybe a little bit later from until like 8:30. And then I'm usually nowadays at MyFundedTV at 9 a.m. at the open with my co-hosts. So that's pretty much, you know, summarizes my day. I'm streaming quite a bit, but not too much, like about 2 hours here, 90 minutes there. That's 3 hours. I stream about 5 hours or a little bit more throughout the day. So that actually summarizes how much I trade a day. I mean, I'm not just trading, I'm sitting here talking with you guys, talking about charts, trading. But yeah, if I think about it, I stream about 5 hours a day. It's like a full-time job, basically, for me. Flex maybe, but yeah, exactly. No trade stocks, hello. How do you see the market today? Well, I just said that we could be pushing this previous day high at 444, but then I'd love to see the market, you know, go down to that 15-minute demand zone. That's the one I think. Look at all this carnage here, this congestion and chop suey here. I'd love to see the market go down. I just don't know if we're going to push for that 444 up there. Hey, thank you so much, Izzle Sizzle. Welcome here. Welcome, welcome. Both MyFundedFutures and TRADEIFY are now the first doing end-of-day drawdown with daily payouts and no activation. Yes, technically, yes. And yeah, Lucid is right behind them. No daily payouts at Lucid currently, but instant payouts, I would say. So yes, and also Take Profit Trader daily payout, and TRADEDAY also does daily payouts. But Take Profit Trader is intraday trailing, I know, on the funded account. I know it's intraday, but otherwise daily payouts. Pierre Hergold, hello. Welcome, Pierre. Thank you for joining us. Do you have some trouble with Rhythmic too yesterday? Well, there used to be some. If there's a news release, then the Rhythmic connections, it doesn't matter which prop firm. The Rhythmic data connection used to send some alert messages like, you know, there's a connection issue, but only for a couple of seconds when the news comes out. Otherwise, I had no major issue. Guys, I must say that this year, so far, no major issue in 2025 with Rhythmic. Nothing. Small, tiny bit of things when the news release comes out, but nothing special. If there was an issue with the server because it was somewhat slow or it was lagging, all I did is I switched to a different server. So you can use Chicago server, Europe server, there's a Frankfurt server, I don't know, you can choose different servers. So I just switched to another server and it was all good. There was no major issue with Rhythmic this year, not that I remember. Nothing. Everything was not perfect, but fairly good. So and when there was something, it was basically at news release, but it, you know, it was not like throughout the trading session. It lasted for a couple of seconds or a minute, exactly at the moment of the news release. But anyway, it wasn't a big deal. Explain to me the MyFundedFutures daily payout account. Okay. The daily payout account with MyFundedFutures, which by the way has a 20% discount, is very simple. You got to reach the safety net, which is on a 50K account, for example, is $2,100. That's the goal on the funded account. You reach the safety net or the buffer. Once you reach the buffer on the Rapid account, that's when everything comes really interesting. If you make $500 or more above the safety net, you can withdraw it any single day, and that's it. You can just withdraw it. That's how simple it is. Obviously, you have to wait until the day finishes, so until the market closes, and the dashboard is going to update, and you can click on it, and it's instant payout, which means if you have more than $500 above the safety net, you just click on withdraw, and the system is automatic. It's going to send it to your Rise account immediately, actually in a few seconds or less. That's how simple it is. There's no minimum trading days as far as I understand. I checked the details yesterday, all the details on the website. There's no minimum like you have to make 5 times $100. Anytime you manage to make $500 or more above the buffer, you can withdraw it. But there's not many details on the website, to be honest. So I do have to do some research myself because they announced it officially yesterday in the New York session. And so I also have to go into the details as well. As far as I know, there is no minimum, like you don't have to make $100 per day 5 times in order to be eligible for a payout. You just need to have at least $500 above the safety net, and that's it. Oh yeah, guys, if we reach the 7K, there's definitely gonna be core account giveaways. I don't know if 7, but I think we can do 5 core accounts at 7K for sure. Maybe 7. I'll try to ask Fabio. I don't know if they like me for it or not, but last time they gave us, when we reached 5 or 6K, they gave us 5 core accounts. If we reach 7K, maybe they will give us 7. I don't know. maybe I can ask for like 3 pro accounts, because they will say something like this, like, okay, Tom, we can give you like 5 or 6 core accounts, or we can give you 3 pro accounts. Which one do you like? Something like that, you know. I mean, to give away. Yeah. Ah, that's a lot of zeros. Oh my gosh, I have to update the Streamlabs bot because the promo was changed. I apologize. So currently, I think there is a promo on the Pro account and the Rapid account. Let me just change that. 20% to 50% off Pro. 20% off Rapid. And 30. Okay, it's better. 5 accounts. 5. By the way, core accounts are good too. So, but yeah, the Rapid account with the daily payouts is the new deal. But I think the Pro account deal is still on. Anyway, we're still just hovering here in this supply zone. I don't know what the heck is going on here. What is happening? Are we gonna push through that 444? Or what are we looking for here? Feels like gold just, I don't know. Still just waiting. Look at this. It's nothing to do with this one right now. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Oh yeah, silver can move a lot. It can move a lot. But I'm not trading silver nowadays. So we'll see. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me that NQ is unplugged again. It seems like it is. It seems like it's unplugged again. Officially, right? Man, it's not moving. It's done. Nothing. Okay. All right. What a move. It's not doing anything. It still feels like it wants to go through that 444, but no, actually no. It's kind of weak here. So I was thinking that maybe it's time for me to trade more with my indicators. I mean, we traded with it a few times. We had a couple of real good entries, but maybe I'm going to use it more. I really like it. So that would be interesting. Hey AD, what's up? Hey, how you doing, man? How you doing? This is so annoying that we're just stuck in this area again. There's no levels that I can go for here. How is Bitcoin doing, by the way? Just curious, asking for a friend, you know. Okay, Bitcoin is interesting. I still think that Bitcoin will go down to 73k, but kind of looks like a shift here. Good. All right. Randall, NQ short is in order to go down to settlement or support to the 30s. I like the idea. Good morning, MCC. What's up? Hello. Asking for a friend. Yeah. I'm gonna start running H4, M15, M1 silver on gold in Asia sleep during. I mean, it could be a good position trading or swing trading, sort of like, so you can do good with it. By the way, everybody, can you please help out the channel and smash the like button, everyone? You know, let's get it going. Smash the likes. Thank you so much for the support. YouTube likes the reactions. Thank you, thank you. But be careful for the mouse. I mean, you know, we don't want to buy a new mouse every day. But smashed. Thank you, Hikari. Thank you, everybody. We want to notice YouTube that, hey, we're here. Can you scalp silver on M1? I never tried. Actually, I don't think maybe I traded silver like once or twice in my life. Like quite a few years ago when I was trading Forex. But I have no idea nowadays how I would do it or scalp micro silver. I mean, on futures, definitely not. I don't even know it's possible. I don't know the spread, the slippage, the, you know, I don't know if it's worth it. Maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Silver futures. Is there no micro silver? Micro silver, there it is. Yeah, here we go. So it doesn't look that bad, but what's the big difference? Let's just put it next to gold. This is silver, this is gold. Silver, gold. Silver, gold. Silver, gold. Anyway, it's almost the same, right? Or not? I don't know. How about the leverage? The levels are cleaner. I'm not sure. The Nascrack. Yeah. I don't know. I think it is. I think it's like that. No. To be honest, even now that I'm trying to trade gold a little bit more, I can feel that it's a little bit. I mean, it's more risk. It's more risk. Where is the guy? I'm waiting for this couch, and I'm watching my phone all the time. Like, where is he? When is he calling? But he's not calling me yet. Oh my gosh, NQs suck here. Oh yeah, maybe he found the glitch. How to get a free couch. Exactly, Dominic. Yeah. Samuel, hello. What's up? Maybe he's. Yeah. I think. By the way, I do love the TV show Friends. I think it was great. I also like the Big Bang Theory. I liked it, but like Friends is the classic for me. I like sitcoms, but not all the sitcoms. Like, I don't think all of them are good, but Friends was really good. I think they really nailed it. I think the cast was absolutely brilliant. It's always, you know, it's just fun to watch. Even if you're having a bad day, it's just fun to watch Friends because it's just cool. And How I Met Your Mother. Yeah, I forgot. So Friends, if I have to choose like 3 sitcoms, then on the #1 place it's Friends. Second would be I don't know, maybe Big Bang Theory, but How I Met Your Mother also. So these are the 3 sitcoms that I really liked. Barney Stinson from How I Met Your Mother is the favorite character. Barney Stinson. Anyway. Nowhere to go other than down. Yeah, I'd like to see this, you know, fall down like a rock. Family Guy also, yeah, sorry. Yeah, Family Guy in that matter, yes, definitely. Family Guy. I can put Family Guy in the top 3 too. Absolutely. Family Guy, it's there. Barney Stinson is definitely a legend. I love that scene when he goes back with the time machine. He masks himself into an older version and, I come from the future. You gotta have sex with Barney Stinson. That's the only way to save the universe. I must away before the vortex closes. That was so funny. Nasdaq will most likely fall in. Oh yeah, it could. Oh, here's the guy. He's calling. Okay, we're back. We have the couch. The couch is here. Don't worry, all is good. Hello, everybody who just joined. I'm sorry, I had to get the couch, and now it's in place. So, we have been pivoted at the stairs, but it worked out. 724, let's go, Dan. Hello. Nice. Well, if you can make money in this chop, you're good. So we had the London Open, nothing happened. Gold is going lower, so we didn't miss too much. We didn't miss too much with this. Yeah. Hello, Chris. I'm gonna have 50k pro evals from Lucid. Let's go. Trading for the first time. They are now 96. Do I still get discount off if I use the code you provide? I mean, Albert, I think you should be having a discount, especially on the flex. Hold on, 50k pro evals. I think you should get a discount if you go to the checkout page and you apply the discount code. Up there, the TOMSABO code should give you, I mean, everybody has the same discount, all the affiliates, but on the checkout page where it asks for you to add the promo code, when you apply it, it should be giving you, so you don't have to pay for it until only if the code applies, but it should. Yeah, it should. Because they're not always giving a discount on all their accounts, but they're really pushing the flex accounts right now. Let me check if there's another discount with them. Just a second. Let's see. Lucid, they do have the Flex and the Pro, yes. The Flex and the Pro, it seems like. Just a second. Oh my god, this price action is just like, wow. Ranging, exactly, Wacky. It's just ranging left and right. This is practically untradeable. Oh yeah, it is. I mean, look at this range. Not even 50, it's like 40 points here. 40 something points, that's just this terrible. It's not moving anywhere. Even gold looks better right now, so. But if it goes higher, obviously 444 would be a level, and then maybe 555, something like that. Something like that. And by the way, just saying that Apex has extended their sale up to the 23rd of December. So the 90% sale is or has been extended at Apex until until 23rd, I think. I have to check it. No. Oh yeah, it is. Or is it? There was an extension. Oh yeah. The lifetime PA fees, sorry, not the 90%. The current discount price of lifetime PA fees will be extended until Tuesday, December 23rd. Sorry, so not the 90%. I'm sorry, my mistake. So if you haven't passed your, sorry, my mistake. If you haven't passed your evaluation account yet, the discounted lifetime activation fee has been extended. Sorry. Yeah. DayTraders is here. Hello. Welcome. A celebrity. A superstar. Hello there. It's so, yeah, price action is, yeah, Cooper, I agree. This price action is, ugh. What's your morning routine? You get up at what time and what happens? So I get up around 5:30 to around 6. So I get up early, sometime around 5:30 to 6 a.m. I wake up, obviously the morning routine, brush my teeth, you know, refresh myself, anyway, I drink some fluids. I have a little bit of a breakfast, not too much because I don't like to eat too much in the early morning, but if I have to buy some things for the fridge, to the fridge, some food or something, there's a store not too far from me, a few hundred meters. So I go down, take a walk early in the morning because, you know, it's like refreshing. So around 6:30, I go down, take a walk. I get back around 7 a.m. And I'm reading the news, usually. I'm reading not just trading news, like I like to read the news in the morning. Like I read the news, like what's happening in the country, what's happening in the world. I have some websites I go over, like what's happening. And I'm trying to read not just news, but anything that's related to the business or trading or whatever. So I'm trying to keep myself updated for like 10 to 20 minutes. This is what I do. And also trying to eat a little bit more breakfast while I'm reading. So time goes by until like 7:30, and you know, I'm just preparing for And I meditate also, like not every single day, but like I just sit down, and sometimes I have an earlier coffee, not the one I'm drinking here, and just sit down on the couch and sort of like just meditating, like sitting and listening. I know it sounds weird, but I do have a few moments, not like 20 minutes or something. I just sit down for a few moments and I'm just looking out my head like, okay, let's just enjoy the silence. Usually that's how it goes, vice versa. And what should happen, by the way, and that's why I want to get up earlier, because I want to go to the gym. The gym opens up at 6 a.m. at my place here. I mean, it's very close, it's not far. The gym opens up at 6 a.m. So when I was in my prime, if I should say so, I was going to the gym for 6 a.m. So when they were opening the building, I was there with many other people there. 6 a.m. we were heading into the gym and, you know, doing some cardio, and, you know, some lifting, stuff like that. So the plan is to do that again. That's you know, I have to get up like 5:30 at least. That's I get up 5:30 nowadays, but I need to get up around 5:30 because I have to be at the gym by 6. So if I go to the gym from 6 to around 7:15, 7:30, I should be finished with the gym. But then I have less time to prepare for the stream, but I try to do my best. I can do like a 30-minute cardio, and I can do some weightlifting and stuff like that, and that should be enough. If I can do that 4 times a week, that would help a lot, I think. Anyway, this is something I'm looking forward to do. Mercy the Menace, you're long until New York high. Let's go. Yeah, it's 44 points. Good morning, Guang. Hello there. I like the cold weather, by the way, Dan. I like the cold weather. I go out. I have a balcony. Actually, I have 2 balconies because I live on the first floor. I mean, yeah, first floor. So I have a balcony. I go out, and I love to go out, even if the weather is cold. You know, the weather is cold. I just put on my jacket and drinking the coffee on the balcony. Good morning. Tristan, hello. Can I choose Rhythmic to trade on NinjaTrader 8 with Lucid? You can choose Rhythmic. NinjaTrader is able to connect to Rhythmic, but I think only one Rhythmic connection is allowed on NinjaTrader. But it is you can choose Rhythmic as long as you have a NinjaTrader license or the prop firm is giving you a NinjaTrader license. I think you should be able to connect. It was last time 23 when I connected, when I used NinjaTrader. I think I might use NinjaTrader again. I will look into it. There's quite a few things that I could use there, but you should be able to connect to Rhythmic. Americans just never sleep. Chasing their McKendry. Oh, you guys are chasing it. Hey Kwang, the week was somewhat slow, but it's positive. So far everything's, but we're only at Wednesday. Oh, by the way, everybody, just saying tomorrow, tomorrow is Thursday. I won't be here tomorrow. So there will be no London stream tomorrow. I will be back for the MyFundedTV session, but there will be no stream in London and no stream in New York. I'm taking my mother to hospital. It's all right. She's all right, but she has to get her treatment. And the hospital is very, very far away. So I have to drive like around altogether like 600 kilometers. So I have to get up early, take her to the hospital. She's going to receive a treatment that's going to last for like 4 hours or something. And then I have to bring her back home and then coming back to my apartment. So tomorrow there will be no London and New York stream. I totally forgot to say that yesterday. So again, no London and New York stream tomorrow. I'll be back for MyFundedTV session. I should be able to get back by then because, yeah. Just saying. You're welcome. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? Do you trade? I don't trade silver. AirPod, no. Good, son. Thank you. But she's doing good. She had a illness last year in November. At the end of November, she was in hospital for quite a lot. It's an autoimmune disease that she's having, unfortunately. And the doctors are saying it can be treated. It will be all right. But I have to bring her to hospital every 6 months for a treatment. And this is how it will be. So no problem. So this is the time tomorrow that I have to bring her to the hospital. They have to do some stimulation or something with her immune system with some medicine, and that's it. But she will be all right. She will be all right. The doctors are saying everything looks good, but you know, it's therapy. I have to take her every 6 months. She's okay, thank you. She's doing okay. She's a little weak because of the medicine, and this autoimmune disease makes her a little bit weaker, but she's okay. But the hospital is far, so that's why we have to drive. I have to drive a lot tomorrow. Mother is first for everybody. Terry is, yeah, Terry was at the BDH. She won the BDH competition there. That was an amazing week. The volley bear, hello. Yeah. So guys, look at this price action. Oh my gosh. I mean here was 2 a.m. right here. Oh my gosh, almost like 30 points of range. Untradeable. NQ is absolutely untradeable. Gold moved a little bit. Swept a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame here. Got rejected. Okay, so we have a rejection. But, you know, how far can we go? This here up there is a supply zone. I don't know. It's not a good looking one anyway. You know, if we could shift 4351.1 up close candles, you know, this here, I would be interested to take a long position, but I don't know. Do I really want to force this? I don't think so. It feels like I just want to force this. I don't want to. It's not moving. Terrible London session, everybody. Terrible price action. I'm not even interested to wait for too much. I mean, obviously we're gonna have the pre-market open in about 31 minutes. I have no hopes that this is gonna change. No, it was an amazing. Yeah, it was a couple of months ago. Because its resistance take profit zone from bull pattern started 4 hours ago. Hold on then. If you want to post your chart, I can set you up as temporarily as a mod, and but you have to use a screen or image sharing website or something where you can share an image, and you can post the link if you want to share the image. Hold on. Add as mod. Okay, so Dan, now you're a mod. Actually, I'm going to promote. Terry as a mod as well. So you can share if you like to, but you need an image sharing website. This one were really needed for my trading development. Didn't need to feel FOMO or missing on boosts. Nice. Took the time to refine. Let's go. And have been doing a lot of back forward testing. That is amazing. Good job there, Kwang. That's awesome. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, this price action, everybody. I have a feeling that you... What? I have a feeling that you played World of Warcraft. I never trade. I mean, I tried to play World of Warcraft once, maybe. It's not my kind of game. Wally Bear. It's not my kind of game. I'm saying it's a bad game, but it's not my... I like shooting games, so first-person shooter games, but also... So my games are like PUBG, Counter-Strike, Escape from Tarkov. Now I like Arc Creators as well very much. So I don't really like this this type of games like World of Warcraft or any kind of game that has, you know, these kind of things. But anyway, I know it's a cool game. I know it has a huge following. Oh, I'm not. Wally Bear, I'm the person. So just to make it clear, in first person shooter, I'm the guy who got shot first. So I go out to the map. I promise you, I will be the first one who gets killed. I promise you. That's how bad I am. But hey, I enjoy the fun. You know, I like to, you know, when I play in a squad with the team, the others are saying, okay, Tom, you go first. I got shot down. And okay, now we know where they were shooting at. Okay. Shooting from. I go out, they shoot me. Okay, thank you, Tom. Thank you for dying for us. Now we know where they are. Found a complementary trading strategy. That was lined with let's go. So it was not hard to learn. Nice. Well, that's the goal, you know. Find the one that suits you the best. Find the strategy, the method. That's what I do, shenanigans. So usually when I go out there, my teammates are carrying me. I'm just the one who gets carried. So in all of these shooting games, like the others are insanely good. I'm the one who gets carried. Exactly. I'm the, you know, the game needs people like me. The sacrifice. Yeah. Exactly. I'm the one who gets sacrificed the most. Especially in Counter-Strike and everything, like, okay, Tom, just go out, you know, go to the front and we'll see what happens. And I'm like, okay, okay, I'm done. Oh, I thought I changed it. Oh my gosh, sorry. Let me double check it. Hold on. I changed it. Let's see. Daily payouts 40%. Lucid. Bulenox is 91%. I just changed it about 10 minutes ago. Let me check. Sorry. Yeah, because it ended yesterday. It ended yesterday. I know I changed the banner up there, so now it only says the regular code. But I think the link also got changed as well. I think. Yeah, it says 50% off at Apex Trader. Okay. Exactly, Pinion Mendez. Exactly. Jerry, good to see you, man. For day one on Flex. Let's go. That is amazing. Jamie. Oh, yeah, you said 90%. It should be fixed now. It should be okay. Their site is still saying 90%. I have to check it because oh yeah, I mean, I don't know. Let me check it. Let me try to purchase an account. Let me try to purchase an account. Okay. No, it's back to 50%. Only the PA fees. So they extended the discount lifetime activation fees until the 23rd. Yeah, the PA discount is extended. Yes, yes, yes. The lifetime activation fee discount is extended. So if you haven't passed it yesterday, you still have time until the 23rd to get the discount lifetime activation. Christmas giveaway not happened yet, but it will. We'll have a Christmas stream. Harmonic combined with fib extensions. Let's see. Then share the chart. Here's the chart. Thank you, Dan. Okay. This is a chart by Dan. It's cropped, but I see it. Don't worry. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice. That's cool. Oh, wow. Look at these zones. Uh-huh. Looks great. You go family. Oh. It's gonna be a forum, so it's not gonna be, you don't have to be here. There's gonna be a video for Christmas. That's practically, it's already finished. That I'm gonna put out, and the giveaway form is gonna be below that. So you just have to fill out a form. If you're not here on the stream, don't worry, because I'm sending you an email that you won, and I'm gonna shout out the names of the winners on Twitter. So don't worry. You just have to fill out the form. It's going to be a form. It's not going to be a Streamlabs thing. And it's going to be using a third-party provider giveaway service, which helps out to filter out the bots. Let's go. What? Oh my gosh, what a bad price action. Yeah, I think so, K-Bell. It wants to go. As the precision of my entry is basically 25% better than my regular. That's good, Kwong. It has to do with the inside bars. Oh, I keep hearing more about this inside bar setup thing. Seems like it's getting more popular. Absolutely, AD, absolutely. It's my pleasure. Gold getting ready to go. Let's check. Okay, so yeah, let's see if it wants to shift this area. I don't know if I want to trade this though, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I like the move here. This looks really good, but it's just still, I don't know. Gold took Asia low, so let's see. Yeah, let's see. Asia low were, yeah, Asia low has been swept. I totally forgot that, by the way. Here was Asia low, and I do like that. 5. I mean, it's not that good, but 5 minute supply zone. It's a very, well, it's barely a supply zone, but it is a zone. So yeah, let's wait. I tell you what, I'm gonna put an alert here and we're gonna wait. Let's see, K-Bell. Yeah, it's just basic price action, Japanese candlesticks, but you can read it very differently from, yeah, it's very subjective, I know. I'm absolutely thrilled and happy for you, Kwong, that you're seeing the pattern, you're seeing what you're looking for. That definitely helps a lot with your confidence and your conviction and your trading model. That's the goal, right? Oh, look at that. I just received a certificate from FundingTicks for passing the challenge. I'm a rising trader on 25k legacy challenge. Rising trader. I like that. This is going to be the new nickname. Yeah, that's my real name, TOMSABO. Almost like TOMSABO, I know. But I'm a rising trader now at FundedFutures. I mean, FundingTicks. Almost, Cooper, but it's not. You're not pronouncing the Z, only the S. That's the trick. You're not saying the Z, only the S. The Z is there for no reason. It's a silly letter because, anyway, in Hungarian you're not saying the Z like that after an S. If there's an S right before the Z, you're not saying the Z. Just the S. Okay. Oh yeah, all the time. Any relation to the cyberpunk TOMSABO? No. No relation. What do you say that MyFundedFutures new rapid plan? Buy them? I think it's a good plan. I think it's a great plan. Again, I'm going to tell you something, and this is my personal opinion. I know that everybody wants the daily payouts, and I think it's an amazing thing, but we said it in My Funded TV stream as well. Actually, I said it, but there's one thing. Just because there's a daily payout option at any prop firm, it doesn't mean that you have to take a payout every single day, okay? That doesn't mean. It's just giving you an extra feel of comfort. Yesterday we said it exactly like it's just giving you an extra feel of comfort that, hey, anytime I want to, any day, I just can request a payout. Obviously, when I'm above the safety threshold, yes, okay. But rest assured, when you feel like, okay, well, you know, I need the money. I don't want to wait for 2 weeks. I don't want to wait for a week. I don't want to submit it and wait for another week, or I don't want to be judged or whatever, or asking for video proof or what, I don't know, just messing around. But you just want to click it out and get it instantly. That is why it's a great plan. Me personally, I am perfectly fine with any other plan at MyFundedFutures, not just MyFundedFutures, but other prop firms as well, because the daily payout plans at any prop firm can give you a false sense, a false expectation, because your subconscious wants to push it like, oh my god, I just need to make $500 because that's the minimum payout on the Rapid account. I just need to make that quick 500. Let's go. Let's make that 500 extra. Let's go. You know, and that's not the best approach. I think you need to think bigger. You need to think long term a little bit, and not wanting to take out a payout. Anyway, actually, this would be a good debate for today, so I'm going to write it down. Taking a payout every day or building the buffer for long term. Actually, I'm going to write this down. Payout every day or versus building more buffer. Oh, I love this topic. I hope Nick will agree. Okay, so although it's a great thing, that's not the goal. Okay. All right. So for example, I have no problem if I can only have bi-weekly payouts, for example, on the Pro plan. There is nothing wrong on my end for getting a payout every 14 days on the Pro account. Absolutely zero problem with that on my end. I have no problem with that. Just saying. But it's subjective. That's the thing. It's very, very subjective. So it's very subjective. Some traders want to have the payout every day. That's why the Rapid account is for them. For me, it's not necessary to have the daily payout, but it's good to know. It's good to know that, hey, I can request it. The same goes with Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is awesome. I can be above the safety net, and I can request any day. And by the way, the request, I think you can request like $100, $50. You got to watch for the withdrawal though, because there's a $50 fee if you withdraw less than $250, but that's a different thing. I'm just saying the daily payouts are awesome, but it's not necessary for your trading journey, okay? It's awesome to know it, but it's not necessary. But again, if you're looking for it, if you want to make $500 or more every single day, definitely go with the Rapid account. Oh, Trading Star, I forgot to say hello to you or bye. Have a good one. Oh my gosh, I'm way behind the chat. I'm gonna read real quick. Pushing around, yeah, enter 2 minutes. Let's go, Curry Fishbowl. Okay, I don't understand. Why not make some cheaper plans? Because I mean, it's actually cheap. So Gabor, look at the cheap account. Look at the core account. Compare the core account to a Lucid account, or compare the core account to a TRADEIFY account. That's how you need to look at it. Yes, the pro account is pricier because other benefits are lined up, but you know, compare the core account, I would say, with other prop firms' cheapest accounts, including the activation fee, and you will know that it's a pretty good competition there. People need to focus on simply, yeah. Last time as a rapid plan, I passed 2 days, 3 days. Let's go. There you go. I mean, you can go for it, Gabor. No problem with that. Daily payout with creating plus crafting a buffer. Yes, yes, yes. You have to be above the buffer. Yes. Build buffer first, then pay out every day. I think it's good after you gave a big buffer. Yeah. Building healthy. Exactly, Randall. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, AD. Randall, I agree. Yeah, trader chat. You see, that's why I love this, because everybody has a different opinion, and it's fine. It's completely good. That's why it's good to have different type of plans, right? Hikari agrees with Trader Chaz. Like it? Okay. Yeah. But this is why it's so great. Terry is saying great debate idea. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I think it will be a great debate idea. I hope Nick will like it. I don't care which side I would pick, pay out every day or building more buffer. I have valid points next to both of these things. So, yeah. There's a lot of things next to getting a payout every day, and there's a lot of things next to building a buffer and not looking for a daily payout. Oh, I love this. That's a great idea, actually. Yeah. At 5 accounts, you can wind up getting daily payouts. Yeah, if you rotate the accounts. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna actually put this into the debate. Yeah, I know. Trader Chess. I know it's a great feeling. Oh my gosh, I'm way behind the chat. I'm gonna speed this up. Odds game. Yeah, it is, Brian. Buy some cheap accounts on IQ Capital. I never heard of them. Tell me, I first liked the Outcap PNL and funded account. Oh, to me. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so then pro account is better. Oh, crypto. Yeah. 54K on Apex, 500 away from my first payout. Let's go. New company from Europe. Okay. IQ Capital. Is that a prop firm, by the way? Oh. Trade crypto. Okay, 1 million in. Okay. Okay. Wow. Fancy website. Oh, wow. The website looks like it has been built for Age of Empires, but I like it. I will check it. One of the owner of Christopher. Oh, Robin Roca. Oh, nice. Still with, yeah, I am. Yeah, they got hacked, but I think they're already cleaned it up. Yes, I am with TRADEDAY. TRADEDAY is solid too, by the way. Capital IQ is really. I don't know. I am I ready to trade NQ 24/7? I guess, is that a test question? I don't know. I'm ready. Is that gonna happen? Because I heard that NQ is going to be available on weekends too. Is that a real thing? I just heard there was an article about this a couple of months ago that it's in the making, or they're planning it. Is that really a thing? They want to make NQ available 24/7? Okay. But obviously, I think on the weekends it would be the same like Bitcoin. So basically, very slow volume on the weekends, right? They officially said it will be here by, oh really? Second quarter of 26? Okay. Okay. In the plans. I was reading an article about this, but I was like, yeah, it must be some rumor or something. So it is, okay. Okay. Could be interesting. Traders will never take a day off again. Yeah, then. Yeah. That's what's gonna happen, right? NDX. Oh. Sorry. You know, we will never have a normal life again. You know, at least now we can have the weekend with our family and friends or spouse, or but now we're gonna be glued to the chair or to our screen 24/7. What's gonna happen? Oh yes, K-Bell, I agree. I can manage any new TRADEDAY accounts, I think, because I still have Project X. Oh, they still have it. They won't have it for too long. TRADEDAY is going to disable Project X. I think from January, they won't be letting to purchase new Project X accounts. I mean, it sucks, by the way. I wish that I despite the fact that it also got me angry, although I'm not trading right now with Project X. I wish that Project X would be working. I wish. I don't know why. I mean, they were having so many issues lately. Why not, you know? And Top Step goes to being a brokerage with a currently shit platform. Like, why not just fix it first? Why not just make it work properly and then be a brokerage? That's why I said, hey, Top Step, you're great, but you know, what if I'm depositing $10,000 to my personal brokerage account and I'm going to be trading with Project X? Imagine, guys, with the current state, how Project X is so reliable, you're depositing $10,000 to your Top Step brokerage account. Like, good luck, you know, say goodbye to that 10K. Like, that's kind of sucks. Like this is unacceptable for a company that goes to being a brokerage and they're having the one shittiest platform out there. And I'm sorry, because I think TopStep is a great prop firm, is a great company, OG, all good about them. They are really awesome. But how can they let this go? Traders constantly suffering from this shitty ass. I'm sorry, but Project X is really, I mean, It's a piece of garbage right now, and I really hope from the bottom of my heart, I wish that they correct it as soon as possible. I really hope so. We need a walking pad. Terry says we need a walking pad. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna have a standing desk, and there's gonna be a walking pad at the desk. So I will be walking while streaming. So I will be streaming and walking. Actually, that's a great idea. I like it. But they're spending too much hours screen. Yeah, we're gonna spend all our time at trading. Is this gold? No, John. This is NQ. This is gold. This is gold right now. MGC. This is gold futures. Sorry. 81 PS. I hope TOMSABO will find. Yeah, I really hope so. I really hope so. Okay, gold actually went higher. Okay, we shifted that. I mean, we just broke it. We no up close candle yet. We need to wait for this candle. Oh yeah, exactly, Dan. 7 days stuck with your real money on the platform, and you're stuck. Your money is stuck, everything, and support is not getting back to you. I'm sure that Michael Patak MP is absolutely, I think he's having a rough few days right now, because I know they were really looking forward to this day yesterday when they officially announced the top step brokerage, and now and that the same day the platform crashed, like one of the biggest crashes. I mean, yeah, I know it sucks, but you're a hopeless Project X platform trade. No. If top oh, it's not sim money. Yeah, that's the thing. But anyway, I really hope I really, so I'm sorry I crashed. I rented on them. It's not about top. I told you guys TopStep is an OG prop firm, definitely groundbreaking prop firm and leader in the one of the leaders in the space. But they, especially when you're going to be a brokerage, you can't let a platform do things like this with your traders, with your customers. And again, I cannot imagine what would happen after yesterday if the real cash account clients would be having their account crashed because of platform issues, and they would be losing real money because somehow the orders are not filling through the market, and for example the stop orders are not getting triggered, and their accounts their account getting drained down and blown up. That is a real serious thing. I agree with you, K-Bell, on that. Yeah, I mean, but I'm you know what, I'm genuinely hoping, I'm really hoping that they will fix it, and I think they will. So we gotta be patient with TopStep, but what can we do? Yeah, I agree. They'll fix it. They will fix it. I know they will. So after yesterday, I would not be, even if I would be a brand new trader, that I have some extra money to spare on a cash account, I would not be depositing money to that brokerage. Like, oh my gosh, they're just crashing left and right. I don't want to put my money there. I really hope, and I think they will fix it. So they will fix it. Yeah, shenanigan. Hit the like button. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this price action. The pre-market open happened and nothing is going on here. Nothing. Yeah, exactly, Michael. The mods were sweating bullets. Oh my gosh. Hit the like and the sub button. Let's go. Monday, the bracket orders didn't work. 10 contracts. And oh, lost 2,400. Oh, Randall, I'm sorry. You hear that? Yeah, I think they will fix it though. I think they will really do everything they can, and it will be fine. But you know, I would like to stay bullish, but I mean, sorry, I have a bearish scenario to that demand zone on the 15-minute. But until we're hovering here, maybe we need to push 444 and then go down. But it's just non-tradable, guys. Even if it starts to crash now, I'm not even interested. Oh yeah, Gabor, yeah. Limit order sell at 441. That looks like a good area to go short, right? They gave me a reset, but Christ, I was about to, oh my gosh. You were close. Oh yeah, day before CPI. All right, everybody, I think this is it. No trades. So guess what? I managed to pull through a London session by not pushing the button. And this is also trading, guys. This is also trading. We were waiting for the opportunity. The market didn't do what we wanted it to do. I don't even care about gold. So we were trading by not pushing the button. So this is it. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll be back for the early New York session. And if you guys won't see me, or I mean today or whatever, tomorrow there will be no London stream and New York because family issues I have to take care of. So no London and New York stream tomorrow. But again, I'll be back today for the early New York session. Thank you so much, everyone. You guys are amazing. Thank you for the support. If you would like to grab some accounts with any of these prop firms, just I'll let you know that the TOMSABO code up there, you see it in the banner. You can use it for all these prop firms that I'm trading with and getting paid out from. So use it for MyFundedFutures, the rapid daily payout plan, 20% discount. I think the pro plan still works for 30%. Bulenox is down 91%. FUNDINGTICKS, Lucid Trading, Flex Plan, check it out. TRADEIFY, instant funded accounts. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free. So BOGO sales, check it out. Thank you for the support. You guys are amazing. I love being here with this community. I love everybody. Let's hug each other. Let's do a great hug. Anyway, thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll be back for New York. Cheers, everybody.